Hello! Welcome to a video you've never seen before. Today, we're unleashing the most astonishing performances between man and machine. This is where the world's most daring drivers command heavy-duty Titan monsters, pushing these colossal machines to their absolute limits in a breathtaking display of skill and power. Witness colossal excavators executing powerful, high-risk maneuvers, moving and transporting across impossible terrain with astonishing precision. These aren't just machines. They are forces of nature, guided by operators with nerves of steel. But the spectacle doesn't end there. We will also showcase astonishing stump removers tearing roots from the earth and wood-grinding monsters devouring everything in their path with terrifying speed. Prepare yourself for footage that defies belief. This is the raw, visceral reality of heavy machinery operations at their most extreme. Subscribe now and don't miss a single second of this incredible action. The spectacle begins with the ultimate devourer. Meet the colossal wood-grinding monster. This isn't just a machine. It's a war machine designed for annihilation. Witness its powerful metal jaws equipped with sharp hydraulic teeth and colossal rotating shafts. As these shafts begin to spin, they create a vortex of destruction. With terrifying speed, it devours everything. Wood, roots, even the most stubborn trunks are torn apart, crushed into dust in an instant. This is unstoppable brute force, a horrifying display of technology and destruction. This machine has earned its fearsome title. It's been dubbed the Bitbeer Jaw Grinder, the strongest wood grinder ever. Its power isn't just legendary, it's a brutal reality. Witness the operation of these colossal jaws. With every ton of wood that's fed in, the Bitbeer responds with a deep, guttural roar, a symphony of metal and hydraulics. The vibrations shake the ground as the machine engages its prey. The thickest trunks are mere twigs under its steel teeth. The grinder operates without hesitation, without mercy. It devours everything with terrifying speed, turning towering giants into sawdust in an instant. This is systematic destruction, a display of absolute dominance. Every bite proves why the Bitbeer deserves the strongest title. It doesn't just grind wood, it dominates the process, erasing what once stood in its way. Unstoppable, unrivaled, and absolutely brutal. From the colossal Bitbeer, we shift to another speed demon of destruction. Feast your eyes on this incredible machine, a whirlwind of whirling blades and raw power. Watch as its massive feeder arm snatches entire trees and branches without hesitation, feeding them into its monstrous maw at lightning speed. It's a feeding frenzy of epic proportions. The air crackles with the sound of splintering wood as this beast processes material faster than you can blink. See how effortlessly it turns bulky debris into a constant stream of wood chips, showcasing a terrifying efficiency that redefines rapid demolition. This isn't just grinding, it's a high-velocity annihilation of nature's giants. After the fierce demolition, we enter the pivotal phase of the logging process. Log debarking. Meet these speed-driven, incredibly efficient, and widely popular machines. This is a terrifyingly fast solution for cutting down time. Witness colossal logs plunging into the machine, entering a vortex of precision and power. In just an instant, razor-sharp blades and powerful rollers perfectly strip away the bark. Their speed is unbelievable. Bare logs are processed in seconds, drastically shortening the logging time for the factory. This is an attractive display of high efficiency, where precision and speed combine to optimize industrial power and ensure the relentless flow of timber. Prepare for an unbelievable visual experience. Witness the absolute power as logs stretching tens of meters long, weighing tons, are fed into the machine. Colossal size is nothing to this machine. The speed of the debarking machine is a phenomenal sight. They achieve terrifying processing speeds exceeding hundreds of meters per minute. The log becomes a blur as it hurtles through the machine, propelled by an unstoppable force. Inside, blades and rollers spin with fierce rotation, ripping away the bark with cold brutality. The bark is stripped clean in the blink of an eye, leaving behind perfectly bare logs. This is not just a debarking process, it's a display of ultimate speed and efficiency, an impressive conquest of technology over raw material. Only the most powerful heavy machinery can achieve this level of performance. As the perfectly bare logs shoot out of the debarking machine, they are ready for the next phase. There is zero delay in this process. The efficiency of the debarking is instantly matched by the logistics of the next stage. Specialized trucks and loaders immediately move into position. Witness colossal cranes moving tons of wood with absolute precision, stacking them into mountains of pristine timber. The speed at which these titans handle the sheer volume is nothing short of breathtaking. The entire operation is a ballet of power and efficiency. Every movement is calculated, ensuring a relentless flow of material. This is the pinnacle of industrial coordination. From the deep forest to the factory, these machines dominate every stage, turning the heaviest labor into an astonishing display of strength and speed. But behind the raw power of these machines stand the astonishingly dangerous drivers, the only ones capable of taming these titan monsters. They are artists in the brutal world of heavy machinery. Witness them operating these behemoths with absolute precision, where every maneuver is a life or death gamble. With a level of control that defies belief, they push these machines to their limits, commanding immense force in volatile environments. In this high-stakes moment, the operator's superhuman skill and steel nerves are put to the ultimate test. They handle colossal loads, navigate treacherous terrain, and work just inches away from disaster. This is a relentless battle between human control and overwhelming mechanical force. These drivers prove why they are the masters of the world's most dangerous and powerful machines, and speed. The spectacle of bravery and power continues. Every day presents a new challenge, and these drivers are always ready to face the risks. Witness astonishing maneuvers, excavators gliding through tight spaces with millimeter precision, their massive booms narrowly avoiding obstacles that would crush lesser machines. Watch as they perform impossible heavy lifts, balancing tons of steel and timber, maintaining perfect equilibrium on unstable ground. They read the terrain, feel the weight, and react in a split second. This is not luck. It is the result of peak skill and survival instinct forged in the most demanding environments. They aren't just working, they are battling the limits of human endurance and mechanical capability. These steel titans, under the command of extraordinary drivers, aren't just moving earth or timber. They are reshaping the landscape in a brutal and dangerous display of sheer will and astonishing mastery. The spectacle of power reaches a new level as a fleet of cat giants arrives to dominate the ground. This is where our dangerous drivers take control, commanding both the Cat bulldozers and the Titan excavators in a symphony of brute force. Witness the absolute crushing power of the Cat bulldozers. These aren't just machines, they are relentless monsters, forging new paths and leveling obstacles. They crush everything in their path, pushing tons of earth and rock with an unstoppable force, redefining the landscape with terrifying efficiency. Meanwhile, the Titan excavators continue their astonishingly dangerous performances. They lift colossal steel blocks and maneuver through treacherous terrain, their drivers executing breathtaking displays of precision on steep, unforgiving slopes. The coordination between the excavators and bulldozers is flawless, a brutal ballet of steel and raw power. These drivers are not just operators, they are warriors, conquering every challenge with extraordinary courage and skill, proving that the combined power of the Cat Armada is unrivaled and utterly mesmerizing. What you've just witnessed is only a glimpse into the brutal world of heavy machinery. The battle of the Titans is relentless, and the daring of these drivers is unparalleled. This is where power and danger coexist in the most extreme fashion. If you're passionate about these displays of raw strength and the astonishing skill of these drivers, you won't want to miss a single moment of the action. Make sure you subscribe to the channel right now and turn on notifications to receive the latest, most exciting videos about these steel monsters and the people who command them. Join us as we continue to explore the limits of heavy machinery.